Due to the growth of the gig economy and the freedom it offers, people are increasingly using side jobs to augment their income. Jobs or enterprises that you can run on the side of your normal full-time work are known as side hustles. Today we will be looking at top 5 recession-proof side hustles to start now. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Virtual tutoring. As was already mentioned, there will always be a need for academic support, and tutoring services can be provided online. For people who are knowledgeable about a certain subject and have a desire to teach, virtual tutoring is a common side business. Virtual tutoring has improved in accessibility and convenience as a result of the growth of online learning for students who need additional study assistance. To launch a virtual tutoring side business, you must choose your market, establish your rates, build a website that highlights your expertise and credentials, promote your offerings, and schedule your tutoring sessions. Virtual tutoring is a flexible and possibly lucrative side business because it can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. Number 9. Content creation. The process of producing textual, visual, or audio material for companies or individuals is known as content creation. Social media management, blogging, podcasting, and video production are just a few of the many careers available to content creators. You need experience in writing, editing, graphic design, or video editing to start a side business creating content. To generate content that appeals to your target audience, you must also determine your specialization. Creating content can be a flexible and possibly lucrative side hustle because you can operate on a freelance basis and accept numerous clients and projects at once. To be competitive and current, it's crucial to keep up with the most recent developments and innovations in your industry. Number 8. E-commerce. Online sales of goods and services are part of the burgeoning field of e-commerce, which is also a well-liked side business. E-commerce might involve dropshipping, selling tangible goods through an online store, or offering digital services like social media management or web design. Finding a niche market, a product or service to sell, and setting up an online store or website are all necessary for starting an e-commerce side business. You may build an online store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and promote your goods using digital marketing and social media campaigns. If you have a solid marketing plan, a top-notch product or service, and a trustworthy supply chain, side businesses in e-commerce can be quite successful. Number 7. Personal training. For people who are enthusiastic about fitness and wish to assist others in achieving their fitness objectives, personal training is a common side business. Personal trainers collaborate with individuals or small groups to create personalized exercise programs, offer instruction on good posture and technique, and provide dietary counseling. You require certification from a reputable fitness organization in order to establish a side business in personal training. Additionally, you must feel at ease working with people of different ages and fitness levels. You can reach out to potential customers by using online communities like Trainerize, social media, and word-of-mouth recommendations. Personal training can be a successful side business, but it takes effort, commitment, and a desire to remaining current with fitness trends and research. Number 6. Virtual assistants. The practice of remotely offering administrative or technical support to companies or individuals is known as virtual assistants and is a well-liked side company. You can provide a variety of services as a virtual assistant, including data entry, research, bookkeeping, email management, social media management, and customer service. You require excellent communication and organizational abilities, as well as knowledge in one or more areas of virtual assistance, to establish a side business providing virtual assistance. You can advertise your skills through social media, freelancing employment sites, or by contacting companies or people directly. Although it needs time management abilities and the capacity to work independently, virtual assistants can be a flexible and possibly lucrative side business. Number 5. Home cleaning services. People will always require cleaning services for their houses despite changes in the economy. Home cleaning services, which include cleaning homes for people or families, are a common side business. Vacuuming, dusting, mopping, and laundry are just a few of the many cleaning services that you can provide as a home cleaner. You need cleaning skills dependable transportation, and cleaning supplies to start a side business cleaning homes. By word of mouth, social media, or online directories like TaskRabbit or Thumbtack, you can advertise your services. Home cleaning services can be a flexible side business because you can choose your own hours and prices. Number 4. Freelance writing. In the digital age, there is an increasing need for freelance writers and for individuals with strong writing abilities. This can be a successful side business. Writing articles, blog entries, social media posts, and other types of written content for companies or private clients is a common side business. You require good writing talents, exceptional research capabilities, and the capacity to meet deadlines to start a freelance writing side business. Through job boards like ProBlogger, Upwork, or Fiverr, or by contacting companies or individuals directly, you can locate freelance writing gigs. Given that you can accept as many or as few assignments as you like and set your own fees, freelancing can be a flexible and possibly lucrative side business. Number 3. Photography. There will be a need for photographic services as long as there are weddings, events, and businesses who need promotional materials. As a photographer, you can provide a variety of services, such as landscape photography, portrait photography, and more. You must be well-versed in photographic techniques, tools, and editing software to launch a side business in photography. You can advertise your services by building a portfolio website, via social media, or by directly contacting prospective customers. Due to its flexibility and potential for profit, photography makes a good side gig because it allows you to determine your own hours and fees. It can be a cutthroat industry. Therefore, in order to grow your business, it's critical to have a solid portfolio and network with other photographers. Number 2. Airbnb Hosting. Airbnb Hosting is a well-liked side business where you rent out your house, condo, or extra room on a website. You may make money hosting guests on Airbnb by giving them a place to stay. You need a location that complies with Airbnb's requirements, the ability to offer tidy and comfortable lodgings, and the availability to communicate with guests in order to start an Airbnb hosting side business. By taking excellent images, creating a thorough description, and swiftly responding to questions and reviews, you may promote your Airbnb property. Given that you may establish your own pricing and hours, hosting on Airbnb can be a flexible and perhaps lucrative side business. Maintaining your area and making sure visitors have a good time, however, takes time and effort. Additionally, you might have to abide by any laws or rules that apply locally to short-term rentals. Number 1. Online consulting. Online consulting is a well-liked side business that entails offering clients in many fields, such as marketing, finance, human resources, or expert advice and knowledge. You could advertise your services as an online consultant using video chats, emails, and other internet channels. You need to be an expert in your subject, have strong communication skills, and be able to provide clients with individualized solutions if you want to start an internet consulting side business. You can advertise your services by setting up a website, a LinkedIn page, or by directly contacting prospective customers. As you can work with clients from any location and set your own pricing, online consulting can be a flexible and perhaps successful side gig. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel